Bombela Operating Company has direct access to train data via DAVANA. DAVANA obtains the data of the train communication bus and represents them in such a way that the operator can integrate them into their processes. The main screen shows the location of trains and displays general information of the state of the main systems, doors, HVAC, pantographs, loops, etc. Information is provided for each train and in a very dynamic way. Information is represented in different ways. To make it more useful, train rendering, tachographs, route graphs, performance comparison, etc. If a system fails, it is indicated visually, or by sending emails, SMS. BOC also features real-time driver's desktop virtualization. All systems are replicated, making this tool very useful to support in the event of a breakdown. Additionally, DAVANA allows to visualize the speed profile, real and ideal, of any journey, by selecting the line, track, date, train, driver or time. DAVANA automatically compares real and ideal speed and automatizes the use of this data for BOC quality inspection purposes. Another interesting aspect is the possibility of tracing the kilometers that each train makes with the aim of knowing in detail the maintenance needs in the short and medium term. Other interesting applications are tracking the occurrence of SPADs, overspeedings and the possibility of extensively documenting the event, location, speed, driver code, etc. In this sense, the occurrence of these events is collected on the map, as shown. Other interesting facts are occupancy and passenger comfort. This information is especially interesting to know the user experience and to improve it. Information is provided in a visual and synthetic way, and the user can navigate thought historical data and customize the dashboards. Another tool widely used is the export rolling stock data and APOS. Selecting a train on the day or time of interest generates a table with the selected variables. The data is first displayed, and then it is possible to download it. It is possible to visualize the data between stations, as well as entire journeys. For a bulk data download, the variable tool, which allows the complete download of the TCMs and other sensors connected. DAVANA platform continues to grow, thanks to the collaboration of Bombela Operating Company and Smart Motors, the best partners, to boost the best service.